Happy birthday, Mama Bebe! We love you! Ingat ka palagi dyan, Ma. Pinagpe-pray namin na lagi kang okay, lagi kang happy, at lagi kang safe. I pray na umaba pa ang buhay mo at marami pang time sa magkita tayo. See you in December. Kita-kits. Happy birthday, ulit. Love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Bebe. Wish ko sa'yo sana
And I love
maging
you so
healthy ka
much.
everyday
And I love you
and
so
happy.
much. And I love you so much, Mom, Bebe. Forever and ever.
So sweet.
Happy birthday, Ma. Wish you all the best. May the Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. I love you so much. Enjoy your day.
Mom,
Happy birthday, Mama
Happy birthday,
Bebe.
Mama. Hmm? Heart. Say happy birthday.
More birthday to come. Happy birthday, Ate Baby. Stay safe. Ingat lagi. Kita pa naman yung buko kung may mata. Kita ba?
2, 3.
Hi, Ben! Happy birthday! Senior ka na rin pala. Welcome to the club, Charis. Pero in fairness hindi na malata. I wish you good health, more happiness in life, more blessings, and many more birthdays to come. Sana makapagbakasyon ka ulit dito sa Pinas para magti-TikTok tayo. Hawak ko ang beat, hawak ko ang beat. Ingat ka palagi dyan sa work mo, sa pagdadrive, and stay beautiful always. God bless and enjoy your day. Bye! Mwah!
Baby, happy birthday. Always take care. God bless you. From
Philippines with love.
love you.
Love you.
Hi, Ate Baby. Happy 60th birthday to you. From me, Tonette, Seki, and my baby, Luna. God bless. Wish you all the best, Ate Baby.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Baby. God bless. Happy birthday, Ate Baby. Stay healthy and enjoy life. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo palagi, araw-araw. Iinom ng gamot. Importante yun. So, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, bebe! Pasensya ka na sa mga kasalanan ko. Happy birthday! 60 ka na!
Happy birthday, Be! Wishing you a good health and more success in life. And stay sexy and beautiful. Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Mom, Bebe. Look at my golf ball.
Oh.